when we were coming here, I was telling the governor that people forget easily. There was a time people packed out from Rumaholo. There was no road. Is that not correct? There was no road. It was my first tenure. In fact, when I came here for campaign in 2014 leading to 2015, I told the people of this community, Rumaholo there was 7 of this local government. I said, if you support me to be governor, one of the projects I will embark upon will be to reconstruct from Rumodomaya down to Rumaholo, and I took it from Rumaholo down to Airport Road. So as we are coming, I said, Excellency the Governor, you know this world is something else. Nobody will ever remember how this road was. How I wish, as you are coming in, every day is shown. For those of you who will be coming in, you now wonder how it is. Look at how populated this area is now. I feel proud. I thank God Almighty that we have made our promise and we have fulfilled our promise. Promise made, promise fulfilled. Today we are here to also fulfill the promise we have made. I have told people who care, and I want Nigerians to know, the electors to know, that time has come when you must hold public officers accountable. Whatever promise you have made to people, make sure you fulfill those promises. Let nobody come again to begin to tell you stories. And when they tell you stories, they will not fulfill the promises. And then you will still give them the ears to listen to them. If you begin to do this, you will see that politicians will sit up and they know that when they make promise, they must fulfill that promise. But when they make promise, they don't fulfill the promise. They still call you and begin to talk to you. And you sit down, waste your hours, waste your time to listen to them. If I made promise that I was going to do this road, and I didn't do the road, and then I come back to you, don't worry, the person that is coming after me will do it. Will you believe me? If me, 8 years, I couldn't do it, is it the person that is coming that will do it? So try and hold us accountable for every promise we have made. And that is why I find it difficult to hear people say that any party will win us in this state. I find it very difficult. Is it possible? No, let us tell ourselves the simple truth. Let's leave politics. How can you say a government, a party that has fulfilled its promises to her people, to its citizens, and you see people coming to make promise that you don't know whether they will fulfill tomorrow? Even when they were here, they refused to fulfill it. Somebody said he did five flyovers. And I asked them, can he name the 5 flyovers? Name them. And who are the contractors who did that 5 flyovers? In 8 years, I came from 2019 to now. I've done 12 flyovers. I'm not saying I've done, I can name them. If you start from Abali flyover, you go to Rebisi flyover, you go to Rumkalabo flyover, you go to JR Junction flyover, you go to Rumola flyover. Is it not true? You go to Rumoba flyover, you go to Rumokurse, you go to Kronodo, you go to Rumapricum, you go to Bolaro Warugo, you go to Rumokuta, you go to Mboma. Mention the one you did. So it's not I did. Mention. And all the flyovers, who did it? Julius Berger. Not so? Julius Berger is the contractor that did it. Go and find the best construction firm in this country. Is what? Julius Berger. Ask my governor, how many state government can use Julius Berger to do road? You will think twice. Somebody who said he did monorail and we paid 50 billion naira. 50 billion, is it in use today? And those are the kind of people you listen to come and campaign to you. So, for me, I'm going in the next 2 months. Right? I should be sleeping, is not correct? I should be resting, is it not? But I'm not. I still believe I owe you to the 29th of May when I will leave here. Tomorrow, we are going to Kalabari to commission the first phase of Trans-Kalabari Road, which every politician has promised the people of Kalabari. The last administration promised and promised. They didn't do it. I came, I promised, I have fulfilled it. So tomorrow we'll be there. This is what we call seeing is what? Believing. So, Rivers State deserves the best. And that is why I said nobody will toy with our state. If you toy with our state, you toy with your destiny. Don't touch us. Don't touch the God's anointed. Rivers State is God's state. I've said it severally and I continue to say it. That's why those who thought they would play with us, have they not been peppered now? When I told them we peppered them, they thought I was joking. Have you not peppered them? You say Rivers State is nobody. I agree. Now we are somebody. We delivered our state. We won the 3 Senate. We won 11 House of Reps. We won 32 over 32 of House of Assembly. Ask them, those who want to be chairman of this party, what do you have to give to the party now? Presidential election, you took bribe and lost in your unit, lost in your ward, lost in your local government, lost in your state. Which party will you preside over that? You preside the one me have given out. You come and preside over this state so that we will begin to donate money to the party. You bring your own party to our state, bring your state to the party so your state too can contribute money to the national. If you don't deliver your state, you can't preside over us. You cannot. Those of you who are fighting that they have suspended you, you have not seen anything yet. The fight has started. The fight has what? Started. He who says his mother will not sleep, will he sleep? Ayu, the fight has just started. If you know him, tell him. Those of you who are close to him, tell him, Iyorchia Ayu, the fight has just started. I thank God when we say you should resign, you refuse to resign. But if you are resigned, and with the colossal failure of the performance of our party, you will have said because you resigned. Thank God, God hardened their mind. You refused to resign. And now look at the performance of the party. I thank God you stayed. Because if you had left when we said you should leave, they would have used as an excuse. If Ayu was there, PDP would have done better. I thank God. Ayu was there. What happened? What happened? Colossal failure. Look at somebody who did anti-party. He's suspending people. Chief priest of anti-party. The native daughter of anti-party is suspending those who have worked hard for this party. All of you who are joining Ayu, be prepared. Now I have no other job The job I have now is to put more heat on them. And I'll continue to do that. They are running around calling every member of National Working Committee to come to Abuja to say, no, that suspension is illegal. It does not lie in your mouth. If you like, let the National Secretary rush to Abuja. If you like, let the Deputy National Chairman not rush to Abuja. Let them meet this afternoon and say the suspension is illegal. You will see what you face. You will see what you face. You are calling us small boys. You will see what small boys can do to you. So none of you should be worried. We they can be. So I thank all of you for coming out to support what we are doing. We are not tired. We continue to commission and flag off projects for the interest of the country. And let me use it to thank all of you for putting SIM in your phone. Without SIM, would there be network? Without SIM, would there be network? There's network now because there is a SIM. So I thank all of you. Don't mind people who cannot even win their compound unit. They say, in Oyibo, we won. They change the result. In Ahoda, we won. They change everything. They change. Everything they change. Even your own unit won, they change. Then allow the change to be.